Mighty Car mods for Vicaris.
The Mighty Car mods. Oh, the exact one.
Yeah.
Congrats, man. Joshua,
Nice to meet you, Joshy.
The HCE number 17 is the first organised car meet I've been to. Although we got to the event pretty late, I managed to meet a few people who were so passionate and excited to share stories of their cars. We have Anthony and his beloved 1989 3rd Gen Prelude fully restored, Nick, who has increased the performance of his Mighty Car mod Focus RS, Flynn, who has just won his Best of the Rest award for his aesthetically decked out Focus ST. This is something that I want to share with you. First up, we've got Anthony, who got us over to look at his Honda Prelude, and he absolutely puts his heart and soul into this, not just restoring it back to original, but building it better than stock.
You want to have a look at my Honda up there, the old.
Yeah, which one?
The 3rd Gen. I just got her back. She's had a lot of work done to her over the last 3 months. Brought her back to life, you know. I bought it.
Nice.
She's an exact replica of the one I had when I was 18.
Right.
This was many years ago.
Which year model is this one?
89.
1989.
You can just hear it, the excitement through his voice when he talks about his car.
So it's the exact same one as your first car or something?
Exactly the same, except it's done up. I couldn't afford to do it when I was 18.
Of course, yeah. Wow.
Bring all the new materials of today,
Yeah.
you know, rather than sourcing older parts.
Yeah.
And then, you know, because they're all second hand, right? You just use new parts, but manufactured to the same size and all that.
Gotcha.
All those little parts and whatnot.
Yeah.
Underneath, it's colourful. It's all blue and red, all these different gaskets and all these different.
I can't see that here though.
No, unfortunately. I'm very proud of it. I don't know if you know much about full steering or not.
No, not at all.
There's not many cars out there like this. This is what makes this era of car so special. If you have a look at the wheels, watch. See the back wheels?
That's awesome, mate.
Yeah.
Helps it get a better turning angle.
Yeah, under 22 k's an hour it utilises, and it's all mechanical, it's not electronic, so nothing ever goes wrong with it.
They don't build cars like these,
No, this set a precedent. The 3rd Gen Honda will actually beat Porsche in the races in Europe in this generation. Obviously it was souped up, it wasn't stock.
That's beautiful, mate.
Yeah, it's really nice.
What's your name, mate?
Anthony.
Anthony, Joshua. Nice
to meet you, Joshy.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
I took a Polaroid of your car, so I'd like to have it.
Awesome.
Yeah.
That's cool.
The colour's still developing, but it should pop.
Yeah,
It's just been going
that's
around.
something I'm going to leave in my dash.
Yeah.
That Polaroid that follows you around for 20 years.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Appreciate it.
Take care, mate.
Thank you.
And then we decided to do some filming for another car near us. We had no idea about the history of this car until the driver spotted me filming his car, and waved us over, basically.
What have we got over here, mate? Focus RS. Looks good. Did they come with the Brembos stock? Yeah.
But the wheels are upmark both races.
Yeah.
The Monte Carlo's Focus RS. Show.
The Mighty Car mods. Oh, the exact one.
Yeah.
Right.
I occasionally work with the guys. I do occasionally background work with them.
Yeah. What sort of work do you do?
I used to do chief editor for the magazine. I did that whole content import circuit. I also help out with events, which can sometimes have extra eyes on
Yeah.
work with the films and stuff. So they'll give me the final cut and I just check coding. Sometimes if we box with addresses on them, I just scan those and ask them to come around this bit or around that bit, pick it out.
It's just like final editor. How about the?
Yeah, like that now it's working.
Yeah.
But yeah, like I did a lot of work on the car after it was on the show. So I did the rest of the mount sheet intake, rear diff cooler, catch cams.
Oh, do you want me to move out of the way?
Like maybe this angle? Okay.
Want the windows up?
You know the channel of the guy, Mighty Car Mods.
I don't watch the channel.
They're pretty big
Oh,
in
okay, cool.
like Australian overseas. So this car is one of the cars that they did up,
Yeah.
and he bought it off them. And he used to do
Oh.
editing for their
Really?
other work.
Oh, cool. Yeah, so
Being on the show, it's now pulling 250 kilowatts, 580 newton meters of torque. It's had the rest of the mount tune gear put in from the 450 horsepower pack.
Yeah. Mountain tune.
Dual catch cans, PCB baffle plates, anti-roll restrictor, because when we were launch controlling it, it had so much torque now, it was hitting it against the firewall, so dum, dum. So we had to get roll restrictors put in so we could stop doing that.
Yeah.
And yeah, re-diff cooler, retune,
Yeah, yeah.
but still you can live with every day. It's not pulling super power. We're gonna leave
Very
it at this.
very drivable right now. Is this your daily?
Yep.
Yeah.
So it's seen a lot of track time and a lot of tarmac rallies. Front bar's been resprayed once already because of impacts. Yeah, goes pretty well.
okay, the colours still developing, but it's sharper, so that's for you.
Thank you so much.
So you say it's got a PCV delete or
No, baffle plate.
Baffle plates.
There's a stock one built into the engine block,
Yeah.
right behind the mount tune manifold,
yeah.
and it's a bit shit. So Radium also make a baffle plate, more advanced one, which has dual plating, and they're larger with a one-way valve. And then that feeds to the vacuum catch can, and there's another boost catch
Gotcha.
can behind the intake gear. So that's another one there. So when you're on boost, it uses this one,
Yeah.
and then when you're on vacuum, it's on the other one.
So many mods and advanced technology in there.
Yeah, so it's all for reliability and longevity for the car.
True.
So it's all supporting mods that we did.
But the mount tune stuff is for power, not
Yeah.
so much for yeah.
Yeah.
But then you need other supporting mods to keep it running. Yeah.
So the mount tune manifold is both for power, but it's more supporting mod because the engineers say the plastic one that comes from factory is only really good for about 400 horsepower.
Yeah.
If you're going to push any more than that, you've got to go to that one.
Right.
So this one's pushing 418 horsepower at the flywheel. So I was on borrowed time, so I had to replace
Yeah.
the thing, otherwise it was going to
Yeah.
crack. Yeah,
Pretty awesome, man.
and also changed that as well. The flow design splitter, they put a Maxton one on the show and it snapped about 3 times, and we tried to mold it so it tucks in more but still would hit on stuff, so changed it out to a flow designs one only recently.
Yeah.
It's a bit higher, which is good, but we've still got to watch out for driveways.
Yeah. It's a bit more flexible, is it, compared to the other one?
It's stiffer.
Stiffer.
But It's stiffer and it's it can take a hit more. Whereas Maxton's was flex, but it would snap.
Right.
So
So far so good for this one? So how long have you had this splitter for?
2 months. So
Yeah.
I'm hoping it'll hold up. We'll see how it
Next
goes.
time I see if you still got the same one, then we know it's decent.
It's been hit a few times, so you can feel some scratches there, which is good because it means it's taken the hit and it's alright.
Yeah.
A lot of people say that these little wing things snap off, but that one stays on, which is okay because these only cost $80 to replace.
Yeah.
But yeah,
And they're just screwed in to the main plate, yeah?
M16 bolts, 20 of them, all in the OEM places, so you don't have to drill anything. The side skirts though, they were shit, as in to put on. You have to drill holes and you have to take the OEM ones off. So you have to take the OEM whole side splitter, side skirt. So this whole thing has to come out, and then you drill holes to put that in,
Yeah.
and you put it back on.
Gotcha.
That was a bitch.
You did the work yourself or went
Yeah.
to? Yeah.
I would recommend people
Going
take
to
it
a
take
shop.
it somewhere, because there's 6 push clips underneath. Okay, good, easy. But there's 8 clips that are shaped like this, kind of like this, that way, and then the skirt goes like that.
Yeah.
And there's 8 of those, and these clips are sent from the 7th level of hell by the devil himself. To take them off, don't angle it up because it just grips in more. You have to get a trim removal tool, and then you've got to step on the thing, and then wrench it out forcefully, and pray that it doesn't crack and snap the whole skirt. It's really scary.
How long did that take you?
To take them off, an hour. To put them on, to do the drilling, like 15 minutes.
Okay.
Like bang, 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 done, done, done.
One out each side.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then to put it on, really easy, because you just do this, and
Yeah.
it just clips back on because it just goes like that. That side went on 30
Yeah.
seconds. This side, we got stuck on this clip here, wouldn't go on. It kept doing this,
Yeah.
and then you try to angle it and all that, no. 2.5 hours on one clip. But then once we got that
It was
one,
worth it, but look at it.
But yeah, it was absolute.
But this side is a kit, or is it?
It's the same kit as that.
Okay.
The only reason why I put those on, because from factory the car is so low as it is, it just hits on everything. So at least it takes the hit on these things rather than on the factory
True.
body.
True.
That's the purpose of it, because it's already happened once on this side.
Yeah.
So eagle eye viewers of the show, you'll see that dent is there
It's still
very
there.
early on. Yeah, so that's why we put this on.
It's so cool, mate. But there's so much history behind the car, like that we didn't know about actually until we spoke to you. Yeah.
So yeah, this originally was Blair's car. So then Ford actually leased out 2 of them.
Yeah.
So there's a white one that wasn't on camera, and there's a black one which was on camera.
Right.
The white one was written off by a drunk driver that T-boned it. Marty lent it to a friend, but it wasn't any of their faults. It was the drunk driver. Ford said, oh, you will replace it for another RS, and Marty's like, nah, I've already got something fast. No, but it's usually like 4 weeks from now, so if you pack like 4 weeks from now, it's not the best. Facebook will have the event on, so if you do a search for HCE on Facebook, yeah, Hills Car Enthusiasts, and look for that on Facebook, you'll see events.
Yeah, I can't make that sound.
Anti-lag. It's not me.
How much did you say it was?
Around 7.5.
Wow.
Without shipping from overseas, so it can be pretty pricey. I'll show you inside the boot if you like.
Yeah.
It's all
On there. Yeah.
Whoa.
Wow.
So I'm thinking Fast and Furious maybe just like That's really cool.
Hey,
Is this like the car that you drive every day, or is it more of just like a? Okay, because I
used to, but not anymore.
Yeah, I was thinking just in terms of like keeping it pristine and just like.
It's hard. It's really hard. It's all garage at home. I only drive it like once or twice a week now.
Yeah.
But I used to drive it every day, but I knew it was going to get dirty. And it's not ruined if I did. Yeah. Try to keep as clean as I could.
What do you keep up in the compartment?
Anything
Is that part of the show?
Anything, no. Most people think yes.
Ceramic coat that.
It looks.
Anything I put, like you put in the boot, I put in there. So
Oh,
I
okay.
just don't use the boot at all. I like going to the beach in the coats a lot, so any like towels and wet things, it's pretty
That's
dirty.
better, yeah.
Yeah, it keeps the interior clean, so I just throw anything in there. My jumper, my camera.
Because people that put wet stuff in the boot usually rust the like the boot compartment or something underneath it.
Yeah, it can
Like wagons and stuff, they always come like that.
Yeah, just anything and everything. Kinda.
It's neat, man.
I leave a camp chair in there too. Random thing.
That's so cool.
Let's go look at that.
Oh, I do better.
Best of the best, best of the rest. Show and shine.
It's cool, hey?
Show and shine.
Got it. Congrats, man.
Thank you.
It looks like it paid off.
Yeah, worth cleaning the car, spending hours cleaning it.
Yeah.
These wheels get so dirty, I'll drive like.
Yeah, how do you
kilometers
maintain
and they get
these?
filthy. So when I purchased them brand new, I made sure to ceramic coat them. So spent a few hours doing all that. So I just get a gurney, basically high pressure washer. And they just all the dirt just comes straight
ceramic
off.
coat it yourself.
Yeah,
Mm.
yeah. It took a while, but it's worth it.
How about the body? That's obviously done as well, yeah? No?
No, it's all standard.
How old is the car?
It's 2013, so what's that? 9 years old?
Oh,
Yeah.
it's in really good
It's
condition.
impressive, hey, yeah.
Yeah.
When I bought it, it was like one guy owned it before me his whole life. He had it for 7 years or something. It's like, yeah, full service.
Yeah, he would have babied that car. Like,
Yeah. He was really sad to let it go. I was like, sorry.
Cars are just something that connects all walks of life, no matter what stage in life you're in. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time.